Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start new chat on Deepseek using your phone. It's super simple, so don't skip the video. Let's get started. First, open the Deepseek app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you open the Deepseek app, you can message right from here. Simply type the message you want to send and tap on send. As soon as you send your first message, a new chat button will pop up right here. Simply tap on new chat and you'll be in your new screen where you can type the new message again. And that's it, you have successfully started a new chat on Deepseek in this super easy way. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want more helpful tips like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.